How to log out of Instagram account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can log out of Instagram account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to log out of your Instagram account, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Instagram application here. After you do that, you can see I'm currently logged into my account. So if I want to log out, I need to tap the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen. Then make sure to tap the three lines option from the top right and then just navigate to settings. After you navigate to settings, if you scroll down to the bottom, you'll find the option known as logout. So all you have to do here is to tap the logout option, and then you'll find the logout button and make sure to tap on it, and you'll get successfully logged out of Instagram. This way you can log out your Instagram account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.